Yes. Whatever happened, there is peace.
Yes. Whatever happened, there is peace. 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 Whatever happened, there is peace.
Whatever happened, there is peace. Whatever happened, there is peace. Whatever happened, there is peace. Whatever happened, there is peace. Whatever happened, there is peace. Whatever happened, there is peace. P E A C E. Whatever happened, there is peace. Whatever happened, there is peace. Yes. What's that day in Africa? 170 years ago, 1938, in the Gold Coast, Ashantiland, a big ship came to shore. That was weird. King Badu Banzu II would not let go of his people to fight a war in West Indies or for slavery. A very proud king. All right now, whatever happened, there is peace. Whatever happened, there is peace. Oh Lord, blood flowed on this golden land all over. King Badu II head was cut off and was shipped to Netherlands. Now history begins. Now a good researcher, a man, discovered the head in a jar, and they decided to send it back to Ghana. It will be sent back to Ghana and buried. Now, people of Netherlands and people of Ghana are friends. They're in good times. Everybody in the world are relieved that the king and the two white missionaries and other people that died will all rest in peace. Yes, everybody's relieved. We gotta forget the past and follow the future. And I will say, whatever happens, there is peace. 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 Let there be peace in the world. Thank you, everybody.